9 Types of Meditation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling overwhelmed, distracted, or just want more peace, meditation may help. But how do you know which style is best? There are various styles of meditation, each with its own unique benefits and focus. Whether you're brand new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, there's a method here that fits your lifestyle and personality. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's identify the perfect meditation style for you. What meditation is all about. Although the practice has ties to many different religious teachings, meditation is less about altering consciousness than about finding awareness and achieving peace. Although there isn't a right or wrong way to meditate, it's important to identify a practice that suits your personality. Not all meditation styles are right for everyone. Let's learn more about the different types of meditation and how to get started. 1. Mindfulness Meditation. Mindfulness meditation helps in reducing stress, increasing awareness, and staying present. Rooted in Buddhist traditions, mindfulness meditation involves observing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. You focus on the present moment, often through breath awareness. Try this technique if you're looking to reduce anxiety, improve focus, or want a simple daily practice. Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your routine can lead to a greater sense of clarity and emotional resilience. Over time, practitioners often report enhanced overall well-being and a deeper connection to their daily experiences. To begin, set aside a few minutes each day in a quiet space. Begin with a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take deep breaths, letting your mind settle as you become attuned to the rhythm of your breathing. 2. Spiritual Meditation. Reflect on personal issues related to spirituality. Consider the various aspects that are associated with the gods and the duties that they are responsible for. Spiritual meditation is a practice that involves concentrating one's attention on spiritual ideas or experiences. This practice is designed to accomplish 2 goals. First, the goal is to deepen one's understanding of the divine or the world, and second, to strengthen one's connection to either. This area of research frequently serves as a source of inspiration for introspection and provides opportunities for personal growth and development. We can accomplish this objective by examining our thoughts and values. 3. Loving Kindness Meditation. Metta. This meditation is best for cultivating compassion, empathy, and emotional healing. This meditation involves focusing on sending feelings of love and well-wishing to yourself, your loved ones, acquaintances, and even those with whom you struggle. Try this if you want to improve relationships, increase self-love, or overcome resentment. This practice encourages a positive mindset by fostering connections with oneself and others, ultimately leading to personal growth. By actively wishing well for all, it can transform negative feelings into understanding and compassion. This transformative process enriches your emotional landscape and contributes to a more harmonious environment around you. As you nurture these feelings, your interactions may become more meaningful, improving your well-being and that of those you engage with. 4. Body Scan Meditation. It is particularly effective in alleviating physical stress. This practice is best for relaxation. This guided practice involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, paying attention to and relaxing each area. This technique is frequently employed in mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) programs. Try this routine if you struggle with body tension, pain, or insomnia. How to start. To begin a body scan meditation, locate a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and slowly focus your attention on each part of your body, starting from your head and moving down to your toes, allowing yourself to relax as you go. 5. Focused Meditation. Focused meditation is a form of meditation in which the practitioner focuses their attention on a single item, sound, concept, or experience without allowing their mind to wander. The practitioner's refusal to let their mind wander distinguishes this style of meditation. Training your mind will improve your focus and ability to stay present. The exercise of your mind will accomplish these goals. As you engage in this practice, you may observe that it enhances your overall mental clarity and emotional resilience. Over time, the benefits of concentrated meditation can lead to a deeper sense of inner peace and a greater connection to the present moment. The combination of these two abilities will create a unified whole. 6. Zen meditation. Zazen. Bit stands for deep inner stillness and discipline. This is a seated meditation rooted in Zen Buddhism, where practitioners focus on their breath and posture, often without any internal commentary or external guidance. Try this approach if you're drawn to minimalism and structure and want to cultivate discipline. Start by following these steps. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Allow yourself to settle into the position, paying attention to your body and the sensations that arise as you breathe deeply and evenly. To get started with seated meditation, locate a quiet space, sit comfortably in an upright position, and begin to focus on your breath while maintaining awareness of your posture. It's important to practice regularly, allowing yourself to gradually deepen your experience and discipline over time. 7. Mantra meditation. A method known as meditation involves the repetition of a word, phrase, or sound, also known as a mantra, in a gentle or vocal manner. This technique is also known as mantra repetition. Through the practice of mantra meditation, one can engage in a form of meditation. The objective of this specific type of meditation is to attain the desired benefits by supporting the practitioner in focusing their attention, building a higher degree of awareness, and fostering an inner state of calmness. Those individuals who are now participating in the practice of mantra meditation are the ones who commit themselves to it on a consistent basis. 8. Transcendental Meditation. This practice is best for achieving deep relaxation and mental clarity. This practice involves silently repeating a specific word or sound, mantra, for 15 to 20 minutes, twice a day. By focusing on the mantra, individuals can quiet their minds and reduce distractions, leading to a more profound sense of peace and improved focus. This technique is often used in meditation to enhance overall well-being. As practitioners become more accustomed to the repetition, they may observe that their ability to concentrate deepens, allowing for richer meditation experiences. Over time, the practice can lead to greater emotional resilience and a more positive outlook on life. TM helps settle the mind into a state of restful alertness. Consider using the TM method if you prefer a structured practice that offers scientifically backed benefits. 9. Visualization meditation. Visualization meditation is effective for goal setting, creative visualization, and achieving emotional calm. This meditation involves listening to a guide, or audio, that leads you through a peaceful or empowering scenario, such as walking through a forest or visualizing success. Try this technique if you respond well to storytelling or need help with motivation and clarity. Start by following these steps. To get started, locate a guided audio or video that resonates with you and choose a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Set aside some time to fully engage with the experience, allowing yourself to immerse yourself in the visualization process. Which one is right for you? Are you new to meditation? Start with mindfulness or guided visualization. Need emotional healing? Try loving kindness meditation. Are you in search of structure and mental clarity? Explore Transcendental or Zen meditation. Want full body relaxation? Practice body scan meditation. Now that you've explored 9 powerful types of meditation, which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video beneficial, please consider liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications to ensure you never miss an opportunity for peace and personal growth. And remember, there is no single correct way to meditate. The best meditation is the one that suits your needs. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.